Hi, wait a minute. Now is it fine? So hi everyone, I was just editing this video and I realized कि मैंने intro shoot नहीं करा, which is most crucial part of any video. So this is just a glimpse of what the video would be, because this video is very precious to me as it's my first PR unboxing video. Not just first, I would say मुझे पहले भी PRs मिले हुए हैं, but वो मेरे पुराने आईडी पे थे एंड दैट टू जब उनमें एक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फॉलोअर्स थे. बट दिस आईडी, आई किड यू नॉट, इट हैड ओनली 100 समथिंग फॉलोअर्स एंड आई गॉट दिस ह्यूज PR, जो कि मेरा अभी तक का सबसे बड़ा PR था. So I'm kind of very excited, very motivated, and I wanted to record this to keep in my memory, because documenting is the best thing that you can do to yourself, to the best memories. Like, you can keep the best memories with yourself only by via documenting and putting that on YouTube, because this is a safe place, I guess. If you don't want to make it public, just do it unless, like, do it in a private or something, upload that, because यहाँ तुम बार बार आके देख सकते हो your found memories and तुम्हारी spaces भी नहीं भरते. So I feel this is the best way, and I'm privileged enough and lucky enough to make it public to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy as much as I do. By the way, this is an ASMR video in a Desi household, so I hope this live up to that.
Macha.